Have you ever experienced back hugs?
No, only backstabs.
In a battle between heart and brain, which one would you listen to?
My stomach.
Where are you at in your life right now?
At my limits.
How lazy are you?
I'll marry a pregnant woman.
What is your favorite part of your job?
When I grab my stuff and leave.
Name one essential source of energy for humans.
Money?
Describe yourself.
I'm a very matured person and I apologize when I'm wrong. I've never seen you apologize. I'm never wrong.